He likes to chopping, dropping, jack it up. He likes to crash it, bash it, burn it all. He likes to smash it, drop it, blow it out. With Harry Stokes.
Oh, hey here, folks. Hey, it's your old friend Harry Slopes down here in Taiwan, Missouri. Well, I'm just out here on the farm trying to get the work done. I got a ton of work to do out in the field, and what happens? That old boy of mine, Harry Jr., gets kicked out of the college, and now I gotta go pick him up out of the dorm room. That boy, I'm gonna tear him up. I'm gonna light him up, man. That is it. He has been nothing but trouble from day one. We're going to get that boy now.
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again.
My car! What did you do to my car? You crashed right into it!
Quit your belly aching, boy. It's fine. It's just a little scratch.
I worked at Pizza Street for over 3 years to buy this thing, and then you ruined it!
It's fine. Let's get your stuff, boy, and get you out of here. I can't believe you got kicked out of College of the Ozarks. That's like the easiest college around.
Be careful with my microwave. I spent all my money buying that.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. I'll be as careful as I can. Where's your other junk?
You broke my microwave?
It's fine.
If you broke my microwave, I'm gonna rip your beard off.
Fine.
I can't believe you. I spent all my money paying for my school.
Just get your junk out of the dorms and let's go.
Oh, I gotta get this big TV out of here. I don't know how I'm gonna get it out. Come on.
Harry Jr., what'd your daddy do with my microwave?
Oh, Jimmy Dean, shut your mouth. I took that thing. How are we gonna get this thing in the car?
Oh, it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
This is my TV.
It's fine. I bought this thing for your birthday anyway.
How are we gonna get it in the trunk?
Here, we'll just tie it on. It'll be fine. It's gonna work out just fine there,
This
boy.
thing's gonna break.
It's gonna
If
be
you break
good.
my TV, I'm gonna break your tractor.
There, that's as good as gold, man. You're ready to roll. Boy, what is wrong with you? Where'd you learn to drive? I've never seen a like you.
Daddy! You hit my car again!
Damn it, I forgot the brakes don't work. Oh,
Daddy,
well.
you hit my car! I'm gonna hit your TV!
Hey! I'm the one that bought that TV! Boy, I am sick and tired of you tearing up my
Don't you
stuff!
touch my
I've
car!
had enough
You
of
don't
your
touch my
stupid-
car!
Your
Don't touch
stupid
it!
car.
Oh, Daddy!
Yeah, what do you think about that, boy?
My car! I'm going home!
my poor big screen TV I bought that boy. I can't believe it tore it up. Man, Agnes is going to be ticked off. Well, let's see, how am I going to get this back down to the farm? Let's see, I better go get my pickup truck and pick her up. I don't know, should I get her out of the... It'll be fine in the road, I'll get it later.
That's it, Daddy. I'm gonna take your TV out. Mississippi Queen. Mississippi Queen. She told me everything. Around Mexico, around Louisiana. Cajun lady. Call her Mississippi Queen. Take that, Daddy! Whoa!
I've been married long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? But I've been Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
So how do you like this, buddy?
Harry Jr., that was my microwave! I hate you, Harry Jr.! See how good you can see out of your mirror now?
I can't believe you dropped out of school and then you tore up my big screen TV.
I don't care!
Wait till your mama finds out.
Oh, well, you ruined my life!
This is junk.
You're a joke!
This is junk. You and your junky car.
Ah!
This
Well,
is junk. I'm telling you,
oh, well.
what a piece of junk.
From Cotton Eye Joe.
Well, I guess that boy learned what happens when you drop out of college. That'll show him. All right, I'm out of here. It's Harry Slope. See y'all folks later.
Go. This is how we're getting the TV down the hill.
Mississippi Queen! If you go behind me, Mississippi Queen!
Get out of here. I can't believe you got kicked out of the old fat camera.
All right, be careful with my TV. the microwave.
Heck yeah. Oh, nice one, Sela. Mark, this used to be your car, your good car. What do you think about it?
Actually, this car sucked. It broke down like 20 times.
Yeah! Oh, snap.
There's that blinker signal I bought.
There we go.
I'm bleeding. Bleeding blood.
Yeah!
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curves, flattening the hills. Someday the mountain might get 'em, but the law never will. Making their way the only way they know how. That's just a little bit more than the noble allows. Just a good old boy, wouldn't change if they could.
You're stuck in!
Fighting the system like a true modern day Robin Hood.
Okay, just make sure you talk loud. Make sure you talk loud.
Talk loud! This is freaking awesome. Yeah!